I cannot tell you how excited I am for this portable toilet kit. In the summertime, our family camps a lot, and our kids and myself, I will admit, do not like porta potties or the campground toilets. So we do have a bucket toilet, but we don't have any privacy for that toilet. And it's one of those big ones, so it's a lot to carry around. This comes with a collapsible bucket toilet and a full bathroom tent, meaning we can have a private bathroom as close to our camping tent or campground area as we want. So it's not scary in the night to go to the bathroom. I already know how fantastic bucket toilets are, and I'm gonna show you everything that comes in this kit. Let's get into it. This is the tent, this is the bucket toilet, and right here you have the roll of trash bags and the gel kits. And it even has a bag for your portable toilet so you can collapse it down and keep it in something bagged up. And this doesn't just have to be for camping. Our bucket toilet that we already own, I originally bought for our earthquake kit. It just ended up being more useful for our camping setup. So first up, pop it up, grab your base and just slide it down in. And then make sure it's sturdy. So it's really easy to put that on. And that has already made it the right shape to put the top on. And there you go. You have a toilet, just like that. Now you can add a trash bag. There are quite a variety of heavy-duty trash bags you can use in these. You can double layer them. You can do it however you want. But the trash bag you always want to put in before you put the lid on, as you want to go over the edges. So stick it in there, put it over the sides. Lid on. You now have a toilet wherever you are. Lid comes up easy. Make sure it's down when you're not using it, especially when camping. That keeps the bugs at bay. Let's see how comfortable this is. I would say it's not the most comfortable toilet top, but I am not squatting. I am sitting on something. That's a huge win for me in the woods, especially in the middle of the night. This works. Let's check out the tent. Now this is one of those tents that you can just throw it and it will pop open. Let's see if it works. It also has stakes and a bunch of random extra bags. Toilet paper. These would be great for toilet paper. Took me a minute. Do I throw it? Let's do it. Whoa! I will say that's a little dangerous to do indoors. That was basically instant. If I had been outdoors and let it throw all the way, I am sure it would have opened up all the way, but I got a little scared of it hitting my TV when it popped open so fast. The bottom is open, which you want since this is a bathroom. And I love that the zippers are at the bottom because that means my kids can always get into it. I can't forget and leave the zipper way up out of reach of them. That's really smart. Now when it's not in use, you could just leave it loose like this, or you can roll it up and hook it right in here. And there you are. You now have a bathroom that you can take anywhere with you, in the woods, wherever. And it has a lot of cute little options too. It has this hook here, so you could hook things on the outside of it. I would probably hang a flashlight right here for easy access, maybe even a lantern. Inside, it has these little Velcro pieces right here, so you can hook on a roll of toilet paper. Now at the top, you have a few options. You have this handle that you could pull on if you were having trouble getting up. It's not the most sturdy because it is relying on the tent, but I can put a lot of weight on that, so that's something you can use. It has this zipper opening at the top, which opens completely to the sky, a great way to keep it aired out while still private. Let's zip that one up. And then it has this tiny window here, which is also a great way to keep the air flowing. And then finally it has a pocket right here, so you could also put anything you need right here for quick access, baby wipes, flashlight, whatever you need. But overall, I already know I'm going to be using this all summer. This is a definite winner for our family. I will be using it, and I am 100% confident my kids will be using it. This tent is awesome. Okay, final part. I do need to take it all down. Let's see how easy that is. Let's start with the toilet because that should be straightforward. Just take off the lid. I would not touch the inside of this, touch underneath. Tie this off, probably double bag it. Good to go. And then make sure to pull out the base, which does snap in, so you do need to pop it from the bottom. That's out. So now that's bundled up. Let's get this thing folded back down. Okay, so it says fold in half, fold in half again, and then grab the top and the bottom awkwardly, fold those in half, and it should just kind of fold in on itself. Oh yeah. That worked way better than I thought it would. We're good to go. And there we go. Now I can put it on my back. I got a bathroom backpack. I am so excited about this. This is a total win.